Hey guys, welcome back to iToolab channel. If you reset your Windows PC and now your files are missing, don't panic. First, check which reset option you selected. Keep My Files usually keeps your personal data on the PC. Remove Everything may delete all your files. But the good news is your files may still be recoverable. Before you try anything, stop using your computer. Every click, download, or new file could reduce your chances of recovery. In this video, I'll show you how to recover data after resetting Windows. Now let's go step by step. Before we move on, let's talk about System Restore. A lot of users believe that System Restore can recover lost files when it's turned on. But that's a misunderstanding. It only restores system files and settings, not documents, photos, or videos. And after a Windows reset, it usually won't be available anymore. Now let's check the second method, File History. It only works if you had it enabled before the reset. If not, like me, this method won't work. Now let's talk about the most effective method. If you don't have backups, a data recovery tool is probably your best option. I recommend using iToolab RecoverGo Windows Data Recovery. The reason I use it is simple. It can recover files after a Windows reset, formatting with a high recovery rate. Let's see how it works. First, launch RecoverGo. Select your system drive and click Search for lost data. The software will start scanning your drive. While it runs, you can use filters to find the files you're looking for. You can even pause and resume the scan at any time. Once the scan is finished, you can preview files before recovery, which is very important. When you're ready, select the files and click Recover. Make sure to save them to a different drive. And that's it. Hopefully you were able to recover your files after resetting Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.